Today we're talking about 25 social media content ideas. What's up everybody, Lev here and welcome back to the channel. First impressions are everything, right? Introduce yourself, crack some jokes and make sure everyone knows you're awesome. That's exactly what an introduction video does for your channel. Think of it like a movie trailer for your channel. You gotta hook them from the first second. Just be yourself, keep it real and let your personality shine through. Whatever you do, make it memorable. People love seeing what goes on behind the scenes. It's all about that authenticity. Show them the sweat, the bloopers, and the hilarious moments. Capture those behind-the-scenes moments, the raw, unfiltered look into your process. All right, guys, let's talk about how-to videos. These are huge on YouTube. People are always looking to learn something new, right? And you're an expert in something, so what's your superpower? Maybe you make the best darn pancakes. Maybe you can solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Whatever it is, share that knowledge. Make sure your video is clear and easy to follow. Good lighting is key, and don't be afraid to get up close and personal with the camera to show those details. And the best part, you're helping people while racking up those views. It's a win-win. Ever wonder what it's like to be a YouTuber? Well, day in the life videos are your backstage pass. People love seeing the real you, the everyday grind, the behind-the-scenes chaos. Take your viewers along for the ride. Show them your morning routine, even if it's just coffee and chaos, your creative process, your late-night editing sessions. Be relatable, be authentic, be yourself. Don't be afraid to show the struggles, the bloopers, the moments where things don't go according to plan. That's what makes it real. And hey, you never know. Maybe your boring day will inspire someone else to chase their dreams. Get Ready With Me videos or GRWM, these are blowing up right now, and for good reason. It's like hanging out with your besties while you get ready for a big night out. Whether you're a makeup guru, a fashionista, or just someone who likes to look presentable, take your viewers through your routine, show off your favorite products, share your tips and tricks, and don't forget the music. It's all about creating a fun and engaging experience. Chat with your viewers, ask them questions, make them feel like they're part of the process. And hey, if you have a disaster trying out a new hair product, even better. We all love a good laugh and it makes you even more relatable. Show off those big brain moves with creative process videos. There's nothing more captivating than watching someone at the top of their game. Explain your thought process while editing. People are curious to know this stuff. It's like giving your audience a backstage pass to your creative genius. Let's talk reviews. We all know the internet is full of them, right? But here's the thing. People trust opinion. They're subscribed for a reason. Review videos are huge on YouTube. It's like having your own show where you get to be the judge, jury, and executioner of, well, whatever you're reviewing. New phone? Tell us what you think. Tried that crazy new burger place? Review time, baby. The key here is honesty. Don't sugarcoat it. If something's bad, say it. But if it's amazing, hype it up. Be passionate, be entertaining, and most importantly, be yourself. And hey, if you can get your hands on some exclusive merch or early releases, even better. People love feeling like they're getting the inside scoop. So go out there, be the internet's most trusted reviewer. You ever have that moment where you figure something out and you're like, I need to share this with the world? Yeah, we've all been there. This is your chance to drop some serious knowledge bombs. Share your unique perspective, your hard-earned lessons, the stuff they don't teach you in school. Think of it like this. You're basically a guru now, a wise sage of the internet. Maybe you've discovered a killer productivity hack, or maybe you've got some groundbreaking advice on how to overcome creative blocks. Whatever it is, share it. People are hungry for this kind of stuff. And the best part, you don't need fancy equipment or $1 million studio, just you, your wisdom, and a camera. So go out there, be the mentor you always needed, and inspire the world with your brilliance. Informational videos, the kind of stuff that makes you smarter with every view. Think about the stuff you're passionate about, the things you know a ton about. Could be anything, history, science, tech, whatever. Now imagine taking all that knowledge and turning it into a video that's actually fun to watch. That's what we're going for here. Good visuals, clear explanations, make it pop. People are thirsty for knowledge, and you can be the one who quenches that thirst. See, when you create an informational video, you're not just sharing facts, you're becoming a source of knowledge, a teacher, a guide. People remember that, they'll come back for more. So find your niche, become the expert. Everybody loves to travel, right? But not everyone can jet set around the world. That's where your travel videos come in. You become their virtual passport, showing them the sights, the sounds, the food, stunning drone shots, bustling marketplaces, maybe even some crazy street food adventures. People eat that stuff up, and if you're not traveling, get creative. Explore hidden gems in your own city. There's adventure everywhere. You just got to find it. Interview and mini documentary videos. Share compelling stories and really connect with your audience. Interview experts, get their insights, their stories. Shine a light on interesting people doing amazing things in your community. You know what I'm talking about. With mini documentaries, explore a topic in depth. Tell a complete story from start to finish. Get creative with the editing. Add some music. Make it cinematic. Create something that's truly special, something that stays with people. Remember, people love stories. They want to be moved, inspired, informed. So go out there, find those stories and share them with the world. Imagine this, you team up with another awesome creator. All right guys, collaboration video. Introducing yourself to a whole new bunch of potential fans. You're creating something amazing together. Collabs are where it's at. Interacting with subscribers and Q&A videos. Plus, it's super easy content to make. Just put out a call for questions on your socials, telling people to hit you with their most burning inquiries. You can ask for questions about anything, your creative process, your favorite pizza toppings, literally anything. It's a chance to get personal, show off your sense of humor, and maybe even reveal some behind-the-scenes secrets. Don't be afraid to get a little weird with it. The more fun and engaging you make your Q&A, the more people will want to watch. You might even get some inspiration for your next big video idea from your viewers. All right, so you're more than just a content creator, right? You've got hobbies, interests, a whole life outside of YouTube. Lifestyle videos are your chance to give your viewers a peek behind the curtain and share what you're all about. Fashion, fitness, food, travel, whatever you're into, there's an audience for it. Think of it like giving your viewers a virtual tour of your life. Take them along with you on your daily routine. Show them how you make your famous protein shake, or give them a glimpse into your crazy workout regimen. The key here is authenticity. Be yourself. Let your personality shine through, and don't be afraid to get a little vulnerable. People connect with realness, and that's what's going to keep them coming back for more. We're talking about haul videos, you know, those videos where you show off all the awesome stuff you just bought. Whether it's a mountain of groceries or a brand new wardrobe, haul videos are a super fun way to share your latest finds with the world. People love seeing what others are buying, especially if it's something they're interested in. Plus, it's a chance for you to show off your personality and style. A tech enthusiast with the latest gadgets, let your viewers know, but here's the secret sauce. Don't just show the stuff, tell a story. The more engaging your story, the more your viewers will be hooked. So get out there, shop till you drop, and let's see those hauls. Unboxing videos. These are like the close-up magic trick of the YouTube world. You got a package, something cool inside, and your viewers get to experience that new phone feeling right along with you. It's all about the anticipation, the reveal, and that satisfying feeling of peeling back the layers to see what's inside. Now, unboxing videos are everywhere these days, but that doesn't mean they can't be awesome. The key is to find your niche. Maybe you're all about the latest tech gadgets, or maybe you're a makeup guru unboxing the newest palettes. Whatever it is, make it your own. Show your personality and your excitement. And remember, it's all about the details. Show off the packaging, zoom in on the product features, and don't forget to give your first impressions. What do you think of the design, the quality? Are you already in love, or is it a total flop? Be honest, be genuine, and your viewers will appreciate it. Oh, and one last thing. Don't forget to engage with your audience. Ask them if they've tried the product before, what they think of it, or what they'd like to see you unbox next. Unboxing videos are a great way to start conversations and build a community around your channel. So go forth, unbox some awesomeness. Listen up, creators. Product overview videos dive deep into features, benefits, and overall awesomeness. Think of it as a super detailed, engaging review. What products are you passionate about? Maybe you're a tech whiz or a fitness fanatic. Pick a product you know well and share that knowledge. Show the product in action, demonstrate its features, and tell stories about its impact. Don't forget the call to action. Product overview videos connect with your audience and build trust. Let's make some epic overview videos. All right, guys, we're talking highlight reels, or as some fancy pants might call them, sizzle reels. Imagine you made a bunch of awesome videos, right? You want to show off the best parts, the stuff that'll make people smash that subscribe button. That's where highlight reels come in. It's like a greatest hits album for your YouTube channel. Ever wanted to bend time? Maybe not bend it, but fast forward it. That's what time-lapse videos do. Take a sunset or building a Lego masterpiece and squish it into pure visual magic. See the world in a new way. Endless possibilities, adding variety to your content makes you look patient and talented. All right, even I gotta eat. Recipe videos. People are always hungry for new recipes. Invent your own crazy concoction. Make it entertaining. Show off your personality. Use those close-up shots. Zoom in on those sizzling veggies, that gooey cheese pull. Share your love of food with the world. Event coverage videos are where it's at. Imagine this, a massive festival, thousands of people, and you're right there in the thick of it, capturing all the energy and excitement. Think Coachella, VidCon, or even a local food festival in your hometown. People love seeing the sights, the sounds, the food, the performances, the energy of the crowd, all of it. You get to document the entire experience and bring it to life for your viewers. And the best part is, you can get super creative with it. Use drone shots to capture the scale of the event, slow motion shots to highlight epic moments, and interviews to get people's reactions. Event coverage videos you make gives your viewers front row seats to experiences they might have missed or wish to relive. It's time to talk animation. Animation isn't that really hard? It can be, but it's incredibly rewarding and fun. With animation, there are no limits. Create anything you imagine, from crazy characters to epic battles, and you don't need a Pixar-sized budget to start. All right, guys, let's talk educational content. YouTube isn't just about entertainment, it's also an incredible platform for learning. And you can be a part of that. Think about your passions, your skills, or anything you're knowledgeable about. Can you teach someone how to code, play a musical instrument, bake the perfect chocolate chip cookie? The possibilities are endless. You can create tutorials, explainers, documentaries, the works. Break down complex topics into bite-sized pieces. Use visuals to make learning fun, and don't be afraid to get creative. Remember, you have the power to educate and inspire millions of people around the world. Let's make a difference. All right, sometimes you just need those little shortcuts in life, those hacks that make things easier. That's where advice and life hack videos come in. These videos are blowing up online because, let's be honest, who doesn't want to know a faster way to fold a fitted sheet or prevent their avocado from going brown? It's all about those simple yet genius tips and tricks. Think about it. You could be the one sharing those game-changing hacks with the world. Teach people how to use a rubber band to keep their phone from falling out of their back pocket, or how to perfectly peel a mango every single time. People will thank you for it. How about interacting live on YouTube? That's right, going live is like having a giant virtual hangout with your entire subscriber base. Think of it as your own personal talk show. You can answer questions from your viewers in real time, get instant feedback on new ideas, or even just chat and connect on a personal level. Plus, going live keeps things fresh and unpredictable. You never know what crazy questions or challenges might pop up in the chat. It's about that raw, authentic interaction that people crave these days. Boom! There you have it, 25 video ideas. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and be yourself. Let your personality shine through, engage with your audience, and don't be afraid to experiment. Who knows, maybe your next video will be the one that breaks the internet. For more insightful topics, click on the videos shown on the screen.